Golden milk, often referred to as turmeric milk, is a warm, soothing beverage that has its roots in traditional Indian Ayurvedic medicine. This vibrant drink, infused with the golden spice turmeric, has gained popularity around the world for its delightful flavor and impressive health benefits. This article explores the wonders of golden milk, detailing its health advantages, and providing a simple recipe to make this nourishing drink at home. What is golden milk? Golden milk is a blend of milk or a milk alternative, turmeric, and various spices, often sweetened with honey or maple syrup. The primary ingredient, turmeric, is a bright yellow spice derived from the root of the curcuma longa plant. It contains an active compound called curcumin, which is responsible for many of its health benefits. Traditionally consumed in India, golden milk is typically enjoyed before bedtime for its calming properties. The recipe, how to make golden milk. Creating your own golden milk at home is simple, and you can customize it to suit your taste. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Ingredients: 2 cups of milk, dairy or non-dairy such as almond, coconut, or oat milk, 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger or fresh ginger, grated 1 teaspoon of honey or maple syrup to taste, a pinch of black pepper optional, enhances curcumin absorption, a pinch of salt optional toppings, a sprinkle of cinnamon or shredded coconut. Instructions: heat the milk. In a small saucepan, gently heat the milk over medium heat. Avoid boiling it, as this can alter the taste and texture. Add the spices. Once the milk is warm, add the turmeric, cinnamon, ginger, black pepper, and salt. Whisk the mixture until all the spices are well combined and dissolved. Sweeten. Stir in the honey or maple syrup, adjusting the sweetness to your preference. Simmer. Allow the mixture to simmer for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This will help the flavors meld together. Strain and serve. If using fresh ginger, strain the golden milk into a cup. Serve warm, and top with a sprinkle of cinnamon or shredded coconut if desired. Enjoy. Sip your golden milk slowly, savoring the comforting flavors and warmth. 10 surprising health benefits of golden milk. Golden milk is more than just a delicious drink, it's a powerhouse of health benefits. Here are 10 surprising advantages of incorporating golden milk into your diet. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has potent anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health issues, including heart disease, cancer, and autoimmune conditions. Regular consumption of golden milk can help reduce inflammation and promote overall wellness. 2. Rich in antioxidants. Turmeric is a rich source of antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, preventing cellular damage and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Supports joint health. The anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can be particularly beneficial for joint health. Studies suggest that curcumin may help alleviate symptoms of arthritis and reduce joint pain, making golden milk a great drink for those with inflammatory conditions. 4. Boosts immune function. The combination of turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon provides a powerful boost to your immune system. These spices contain compounds that help fight infections and enhance the body's natural defenses, making golden milk an excellent choice during cold and flu season. 5. Aids digestion. Golden milk can aid digestion due to the presence of ginger, which has been shown to relieve gastrointestinal discomfort. Turmeric also promotes bile production, which helps in the digestion of fats. 6. Promotes better sleep. The warm, soothing nature of golden milk, combined with its anti-anxiety properties, makes it an ideal bedtime drink. The magnesium found in many milk alternatives, along with the calming effects of turmeric, can help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. 7. Supports heart health. Curcumin has been linked to improved heart health by helping to reduce cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and improve blood vessel function. Drinking golden milk regularly may support a healthy cardiovascular system. 8. Improves skin health. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric can benefit the skin. Golden milk may help reduce acne, eczema, and psoriasis symptoms, promoting a clear and healthy complexion when consumed regularly. 9. Enhances brain function. Curcumin has been researched for its potential neuroprotective properties. It may help improve memory and cognitive function while reducing the risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. The spices in golden milk can contribute to overall brain health. 10. Weight management. Golden milk can support weight management when included in a balanced diet. Its anti-inflammatory properties may help reduce weight-related inflammation, and the spices can provide a sense of fullness, potentially curbing overeating. How to incorporate golden milk into your daily routine. Incorporating golden milk into your daily routine is easy and can be done in several ways. Morning beverage. Start your day with a warm cup of golden milk instead of coffee or tea. Pre-bedtime ritual. Enjoy a cup of golden milk an hour before bed to promote relaxation and better sleep. Smoothie ingredient. Add a scoop of turmeric powder to your morning smoothie for an extra health boost. Porridge or oatmeal. Stir some golden milk into your porridge or oatmeal for a flavorful breakfast. Chia seed pudding. Use golden milk as the liquid base for chia seed pudding for a nutritious snack or dessert. Final thoughts. Golden milk is more than just a trendy beverage. It's a delicious and healthful drink with numerous benefits that can enhance your overall well-being. By making golden milk a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy the soothing flavors of turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon while reaping the rewards of improved health. So why not give it a try? Brew yourself a cup of golden milk today and savor the warmth, comfort, and health benefits it brings. As you enjoy this vibrant drink, you'll be participating in a centuries-old tradition that celebrates the power of natural ingredients to nourish the body and mind. Enjoy your golden milk. Now that you have a delightful recipe and a list of health benefits, it's time to enjoy your golden milk. Whether sipping it solo or incorporating it into your meals, this turmeric drink is a simple yet effective way to boost your health and well-being. Cheers to your health.